Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just at the park today. I was gonna go do a hike, but you know, it was raining and my spirits just weren't up there, so I decided to just come to the park. Had a little lunch, shot another video. And I wanted to go over these grab and glow safety cups. My job actually handed these out. They called them an earthquake kit. And I have two because I grabbed one for video's sake. But what I thought I would do is, I was going to do the video and go over the contents, and then do another video where I go over the changes I would have made to this. But I thought it would be more fun to do sort of a interactive style video, so I'm going to go over the contents of this, and then give you the website for it. It's preparesmart.com, and all the links will be down below. So you can go check it out. I want to say they're about $20. So let's get the camera turned down and I'll show you what's in here. Okay, so first there's the cup, which I'm already thinking, well, it's not stainless steel, so and I think it would break pretty easy. There's also a straw hole right here, so it wouldn't even hold water. I mean, you can actually see like some daylight through it, so that's not going to hold any water. So first we have looks like a first aid kit in a zip top bag. So it has some antiseptic wipes, looks like some bandages. Maybe I should break it out and now, personally, I think there's actually a sheet that has everything written out. Now, personally, I really wouldn't worry about carrying bandages, but you might run into like a child who might need one. So then we have a glow stick, 12-hour glow stick, hence the grab and glow. We have a respirator, which is nice because if there was an earthquake, and there might be a lot of dust in the area, so that might be a good thing to have. So 3 wet naps, a emergency drinking water, which I've never drank these before, but you know, at least gives you some fluid. A whistle, but no cordage on it, so you couldn't even throw it around your neck. So, whistle. We have a emergency survival blanket. So, not only does it give you shelter, but it provides you with something to treat shock if you came across somebody. Hand warmers, which is good because we're in fall right now, so the weather might turn. So hand warmers, and then a Millennium bar and cherry. So these are actually really calorie packed. This thing has 400 calories, and just this one bar. 32 grams of sugar, so it's pretty high in sugar, but you know, you could probably use that sugar to get you home. And then there's the empty cup. So not a whole lot in here. So let's see. Grab and go safety cup. Everything I went over. Personal pouch first aid kit, including 3 antiseptic wipes, 3 3/4 inch by 3 inch bandages, 1 inch by 3 inch bandage, single lip balm, non-aspirin 2-pack, ibuprofen 2-pack, antacid 2-pack, triple antiseptic ointment 2, and alcohol wipes. So there you go. That's that. I'm gonna pause that if I can get it on the screen. All right. So here's all the kit poured out for you. And basically, everything in here looks like it would fit in your pockets pretty easily. I mean, actually, I should do that. I should start to stuff this all in my pockets. If I was going to be carrying water, I'd want to do that anyway. I mean, I would actually probably hold that until I needed it, or if I couldn't get a hold of water. But in both of my vehicles, I always carry a Silcox Key, or a Silcox Key, whatever you want to call it. And maybe I'll do a quick video on this. My John McCann for Survival Research already did one on using these. It's basically, it turns on the water on the side of a building. But if you request it, I'll do a quick video. I'll show you how that works. If I can get permission to do so. I don't want to do it without permission. But this way I could continuously refill this. If I could get to my car, I could grab this. But these aren't that expensive. You can get them on Amazon, and all they do is they turn the water on the side of a building. Like if there's a locked door on it, I think the small ones open the door, and then the big ones turn on the water. So let's see if I can get it all in one pocket, or we'll get it all in my pockets. Okay, so there's always your coat pocket, but I don't know if I would put everything in my coat pocket, because it may not be rainy, it may not be windy, and I might have a different jacket on in the car. So plus, you know, if you get hot, I get hot while I walk, so if I'm walking home, I may need I might take the jacket off. So a cargo pocket for the water I would just throw in here. Got this pocket right here. You can just throw the Millennium bar into. I would have my cell phone in here, but I upgraded to a Samsung 7, and it doesn't fit in the pocket with the case. And I dropped my other one and cracked the case, so now it just goes in a cargo pocket, which goes here. Now this is a game changer too if I have this at work, because I don't wear cargo pockets at work, so I would just have to just shove everything into a back pocket. So that's the shelter. Now this I would just stuff into a front pocket, so stuff that in there. Now the respirator I don't think would break as easy, so I would stick that in the back pocket. Now of course I always have my EDC. I have a knife on me. That was a fail open. So I got my Spyderco Endura, my multi-tool, my flashlight. I just recently acquired a watch, just a simple Casio, $20. Hand warmers to shove in a pocket. Now you're getting pretty heavy on pockets, or getting pretty heavy loaded on pockets, but the glow stick, I probably want to be a little bit more careful with, because I wouldn't want to crack it until later. But front cargo pocket. Now your cell phone would be good if you're out of service though. A lot of people, I don't know if a lot of people don't know this, but if your cell phone is out of service, you can still dial 911 with no service if 911 is answering, because you know there might be a flood of phone calls. So that's literally everything, including the instructions I can just shove in a pocket. And then the only thing that's left is a whistle, but so there you go. So I could basically fill this with water now. And then just, the straw hole could be an issue, but you know, if I'm just carrying it, then you know, I'm just gonna be careful not to, you know, slosh it as much. In fact, let's see how much it sloshes. There's a water spigot right over here, so let's see how much this thing will slosh around. There's my water. I mean, it's not waterproof, but you know, it's holding water, and it's not coming out of the straw hole at all. I mean, a good squeeze and the water will come out, but you know, if you just normally walking, could just be walking along and, you know, remove the top, you know, take a drink. I assume that water's purified. I know the water in the building, the side of the building will be, but I mean that's not water. Well, yeah, I guess some water comes out. Maybe you could drink it like a sports bottle, just get the trickle. But anyway, so everything else fit in my cargo pockets just fine. So glow stick, whistle, first aid. So there you go. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And you know, throw your ideas out there. I might collect some ideas and do maybe like a get home. I don't actually have a get home bag or anything like that. So, because honestly, I only live 11 miles away from work. So while I wouldn't be happy about it, I could walk it. So, you know, I'm not trapped at my workplace. I could get home, and my job actually has on every floor in every break room, there's about 3 or 4 boxes of civilian MREs, which I actually have a video coming up on, which actually will come up before this, but you know, so I could grab one of those on my way home, have some food. So, well, let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching as always. Look forward to reading your suggestions, and I'll catch you in the next one.